Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I like to do hauls. I like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants all around the world. Today I have for you kind of a little bit of a downer, but I am going to review my last Bath Bevy box. Now, I did cancel this subscription. I just felt it wasn't worth the money. I want to say it was, I don't remember exactly, I'll put it on the screen, but I want to say it was somewhere around $43, $44 for this box subscription. I've gotten two of them, and the first one was just okay, and this one was more 50-50 for me. Oh, you know what? Real quick, let me make an announcement. I do have some giveaways going on. Well, I have one giveaway going on right now, and then I announce a future giveaway in another video, so I will link both of those down below. And also, just real quick, next month is my birthday month, so I won't be able to upload as often as I have been. I'll still have the same amount of videos, I just might have to like pile them on top of each other. Okay, so let's get into this Bath Bevy. And I'm going to tell you how I felt about these products, and I mean, ultimately it's why I canceled. If the box would have been a little cheaper, maybe even like around the $30 mark, I probably would have kept it. But because it was almost $45, I don't know, to me that just wasn't worth it. So first, and I will put pictures up in one of the corners to remind you what these things looked like. But the first thing was the Pink Diamond Sea Salt Soak by Bath Bevy. I like the smell of it. It was interesting. It was fine putting it in my bath. No problems. I was okay with that. So there was that. The Crystal Clear Mini Face Masks by Masquerade. To me, this was just weird. They were, I guess, little face masks that you just kind of put on spots on your face, and I don't know, to me that was just weird. It was kind of childish. If I'm going to wear a face mask, I just want to wear a face mask all over my whole face. I don't want to pinpoint certain spots on my face. So, I mean, that was just for me. The Rose Quartz Bath Scoop. Now, I didn't like the smell of this. It moisturized my skin just fine, but I just didn't care for the smell of it at all. And probably because it was heavily scented with rose, and that is just not a scent for me. The Relaxed Wellness Candle by Belusha Wellness Candles. It was okay. It came with matches, all well and good, but it was just an okay product for me. I wasn't really here nor there with it. Like, it wasn't something I love, but it's not something I hate either. The next thing we had was the Geode Bath Bomb by Butter Me Soft. And this was fine. It was a bath bomb. It is what it is. The next we had the Red Ruby Goat Milk Soap by Mad and Mac. And I liked it. It was good. I think it smelled really good. It worked really well with my skin. So there you have it. I mean, and like I said, the main reason I canceled was because of the cost. I just felt like the box was not worth what they were charging for it. So that was my last Bath Bevy. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.